Hi, let's talk about gestures on this Google Pixel Watch 3. So to open list of apps, we need to press this digital crown once, then press again to go back to watch face. To find quick settings, swipe down from the top of watch face, and here they are. Swipe up again to go back to watch face. To find notifications, swipe up from the down part of your display, and now you can find all of them. Also, you can rotate your crown to go through this list and rotate it to go back to watch face or open quick settings like this. You can also swipe left to open tiles, which looks like that, or you can swipe right from your watch face to open tiles. You can press and hold this crown like this to trigger power off menu, in which you can turn off your watch or restart it, or call emergency SOS. You can press and hold this side button like that to trigger your Google Assistant, and you can hold those two buttons together to take screenshot, which will be saved to your phone's gallery. You can also press this side button once to open recents. Here you can delete them by pressing and holding and selecting to clear from recents. And now let's press this crown to open list of apps and find settings. In settings, we need to find gestures. And now you can enable tilt to wake, so you can basically raise your watch to wake it up. You can also touch it to wake it up, rotate crown to wake, and enable touch lock. So as you can see, when touch lock is on, we cannot do anything with the watch. And to exit, we need to press and hold this crown for about 2 seconds to unlock the watch like this. Let's go back in gesture settings here, and now we can also enable to touch and hold watch face to change it and take screenshot. Let me show you how to change watch face. So you need to go back to your watch face by pressing this crown and then touch and hold it to edit. You can swipe left to find more features. You can tap this pen icon to edit it. For example, change complications. Here we can set alarm and tap here to confirm. And this is how it will look. And to force restart your watch, just press and hold this crown till you can see Google logo appears on the screen. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.